March 20. Congratulations, everybody. So without giving too much away, ano ang dapat nilang abangan? Without giving too much away, huwag naman spoiler.
Well, sa nakita nila, diba, pa-intense ng pa-intense, syempre yung mga mapapanood nila. Talagang yung mga kaganapan ay, kumbaga, kakabahan na rin kayo. Mararamdaman nyo kung ano yung nararamdaman namin. And what, yeah, Santo.
Yes, yung transition ng mga characters, ito na, isa-isa nang lumalabas yung mga sikreto na hindi sinasabi ng bawat miyembro ng pamilya. Kaya kung alam nyo na yung mga hula niya o sino yung suspect, hindi pa po yung marami pa yung mga
Thank you very much. And let's hear from the kids. What are you excited about now that the show is streaming?
I'm excited because in this series, everyone will discover and see that this series is not just an ordinary series. This is a series about a love of a deaf kid, Eli, for his teacher, Teacher Santo.
And, yes.
Siguro lang ako ng po yung sinabi ni Papa kanina ni Quezzy. Yung pinakita po kanina parang nasa episode 7 and 8 pa lang, parang mga ganun pa lang. So, marami pa kami yung offer dun sa last few episodes and yun po, kakabahan talaga kayo at parang maramdaman mo na yung gulat at mapapatayo ka talaga kung sa mga nanonood. Ganun.
And, yeah.
Yes po, talagang marami pong aabangan, lalo na yung mga unexpected moments, mga hindi mo hinihinalang. Yun pala yung nangyari talaga. So, yun, abangan po talaga.
Well, if you want to find out, you know where to watch it. Thank you so much again to the cast of The Silent Noise.